Want to learn how to use the treadmill at Planet Fitness? In this video, I explain what the treadmill is, describe how to use it, and share a variety of workouts you can perform. Treadmill models vary by Planet Fitness location. Some gyms might have more sophisticated treadmills, like the Matrix model, while others might be more simple to use, like the Life Fitness model. Here, I'll be going over the basic features that should be available on all treadmills. But if you're interested in learning about specific features of certain treadmills, check out the playlist in the top right corner. Anyways, let's get started. A treadmill is a piece of equipment that allows you to walk, jog, or run indoors while remaining stationary. It consists of a moving belt that rotates around a set of rollers powered by an electric motor. There are usually cup holders for your water and space for your personal belongings such as your phone or keys. Some treadmills will have a monitor attached for you to watch the news, a movie, or show as you walk or run. You would just need to plug in some headphones for audio. There may also be chrome handles that allow you to measure your current heart rate level. Knowing your heart rate can help you determine the intensity of your workout. The side handrails of the treadmill can be used for support and balancing yourself, but don't hold onto them for the entire duration of your workout. Doing so would reduce the effectiveness of your workout and put strain on your shoulders and wrists. You'll have the ability to adjust the speed and incline of the machine to simulate different levels of intensity and terrain. Most likely, the speed and incline controls will appear as buttons on the front panel or on the handles. Adjusting the incline changes the angle of the running belt, allowing you to simulate walking or running up an incline. Increasing the incline can make the workout more challenging and helps you burn more calories by more effectively engaging different muscle groups, including the glutes, hamstrings, and calves. This also simulates running uphill, which can help runners prepare for hilly terrain. The incline can usually be adjusted in small increments, starting from a flat 0% to 15% or higher. The speed adjustment changes the speed of the running belt, allowing you to walk, jog, or run at different paces. Increasing the speed can make the workout more challenging and help you burn more calories by raising your heart rate. Most treadmills allow you to adjust the speed in small increments, usually ranging from 0.1 miles per hour to 12 miles per hour or more. Nearly all treadmills have an emergency feature of some kind, such as a safety key and clip, that is used to prevent accidents in case of a fall or loss of balance while using the treadmill. Typically, this clip attaches to your clothing and connects you to the treadmill. If you fall or lose balance, the key on the other side of the clip will detach from the console and stop the treadmill, reducing the risk of injury from the moving belt. On the front panel, you'll see a variety of buttons and settings. There's usually a green button that will allow you to quickly start the running belt. From there, you can adjust the incline and speed settings yourself. There should also be a red button that will stop the running belt and pause or end your workout. In terms of all the numerical values on the front display, you'll see your workout duration, which you might be able to toggle between how much time you spent working out or a countdown from 1 hour, the number of calories you've burned, and the total distance you've traveled in miles or kilometers. There might also be different workout programs readily available at the push of a button if you don't want to adjust your own speed and intensity. Some people like to stand on the outside of the treadmill and start the belt until it gets to a steady pace before getting on. Others like to just stand on the belt and start increasing the speed from there. So use whichever method you prefer. Usually right after you start your workout, the treadmill will prompt you to input your weight. This is used to help accurately track the calories you burn during your workout. So if you don't use a wearable of some sort to track your calories, but would like to know how much you've burned, you'd want to input your weight for a more accurate count. As you prepare to start using the treadmill, here are some key things to keep in mind when it comes to form. When using a treadmill, make sure you're standing up straight with your shoulders relaxed and looking ahead, avoiding slouching or looking down at your feet. Since the treadmill is pulling your feet backwards, you don't need to perform a forward lean as you would with outdoor running. Your stride length, which is the distance covered with a single footstep, should have each foot landing below your body. Overstriding occurs if your foot lands in front of your knees. With each step, land in the middle of your foot, rather than your heel or toes, to reduce impact on your joints and reduce the risk of injury. Your arms should swing naturally at your sides, with elbows bent at a 90-degree angle. Avoid crossing your arms in front of your body or swinging them too much. Engage your core. Keep your core muscles engaged by tightening your abs. Now that you know all about the technical aspects of the treadmill and proper form, let's go through some workout routines. Warm-up. Whether or not you'll be spending your entire workout session on the treadmill or lifting weights, using a treadmill is a great way to warm up. To perform a warm-up, start walking or jogging on the treadmill at a relatively low pace for 5 to 10 minutes. Stretching for a treadmill run workout. After you've warmed up and loosened your muscles, it's time to stretch. You can use the treadmill for balance if you need to. Some key stretches to incorporate here include a quad stretch, in which you stand up tall, lifting one foot towards your butt and balancing on the other foot, feeling the stretch in the front of the thighs of the lifted leg. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch sides. A hamstring stretch, in which you bend your knees and extend one leg forward, resting on that foot's heel. Reach towards that foot and feel the stretch in your hamstring, which is on the back side of your thigh. Hold for 30 seconds and switch sides. A hip stretch, in which you bring one knee up and bent, then moving out to the side and back to the front. Holding onto the treadmill or wall can help with balance. Repeat the move for 30 seconds, then switch sides. A calf stretch in which you press the front of one foot against a surface, such as a wall or the treadmill itself, while keeping the heel on the ground. Hold for 30 seconds and switch sides. Once you finish stretching, you're ready for your main workout. Brisk walk workout. If you're a beginner or need a lower intensity cardio workout, a brisk walk is what you can perform. Start by adjusting the speed to a slightly challenging walking speed and walk that same pace for 20 to 30 minutes. Choose a speed that works for you. Also, feel free to adjust the incline for more intensity. Jogging running workout. If you want to cover a lot of distance at a relatively fast pace or build your endurance, try out a jogging running workout. Start by adjusting the speed to a running pace for 2 minutes. Then for another 2 minutes, slow the speed down to a jogging pace. Find the pace that works for you and perform this workout for 20 to 30 minutes or your goal distance. Adjust the incline for added intensity. Interval workout. If you really want to shake things up, an interval workout can make your run more exciting. Start by running at a fast pace for 30 seconds, then walk for 1 minute. This will require you to frequently adjust the speed. Find the paces that work for you and adjust the incline for added intensity. Repeat for 20 to 30 minutes. Hill workout. If you want to emphasize the incline features of the treadmill, a hill workout will get the job done. You definitely don't need to run a fast pace up an incline to feel the burn, as walking will feel more intense at high inclines. For whatever walking or jogging pace you want, adjust to a challenging incline for 2 minutes. Then for another 2 minutes, adjust to a lower incline. Find the incline and paces that work for you. Repeat for 20 to 30 minutes. Cool down and stretching. Finish off your workout routine with a cool down, which can simply be 5 minutes of light jogging or walking. Also, make time to perform some stretching. Now that you know how to use the treadmill, be sure to check out my other Planet Fitness demonstrations here. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.